You don't need a full circle diagram to find your purpose. That famous chart isn't even Japanese. It's a Western business invention from 2014, and it turned finding your purpose into homework you can research forever and never finish. That's the actual trap. Not that you don't know what you want, it's that you've made figuring it out into its own full-time job, and it pays you nothing. Real Ikigai isn't a quiz you solve before you're allowed to start. It's proof you built by acting, not a diagram you fill in first. 3 ideas, let's go. Step 1. Ikigai in the ordinary. In Japan, Ikigai was never about a dream career. Fishermen, tea makers, shopkeepers all described having Ikigai. Not because their job was their grand purpose, but because they found real worth in doing an ordinary thing well. Most people won't take the ordinary task in front of them seriously until they found the one. The side hustle, the passion project, the perfect role. That search becomes its own form of procrastination. Research that feels like progress but produces nothing. Quick action. Pick one ordinary task from your day and do it fully instead of half doing it. If it's studying, that means that the assignment you'd normally rush, done properly instead of just finished. If it's work, that means that one email or the task you've been giving half attention, done with full focus for once. Not a bigger task, the one already in front of you today. Step 2, the 15-minute rule. The second piece is what you do with the small amount of time you actually have for building something better. Most people treat their time as an audition for their future dream career. So it has to feel inspired every time, or they skip it. That's backwards. Ikigai isn't found by waiting for inspiration, it's built by returning to the same small thing on a fixed schedule, whether it feels inspired or not. Quick action. Pick the one thing you keep saying you'll get serious about once you find the right direction, and give it 15 minutes at a fixed time today. If it's a skill or a side project, that's 15 minutes right after dinner, same time tomorrow. If it's your health, that's 15 minutes the moment you wake up, before anything else gets the chance to take it. Not when you feel ready. Today, at a time you pick right now. Step 3. Evidence before certainty. Here's the part almost nobody tells you. You don't get certainty first and then act. You act first and the certainty shows up after, built from evidence. I spent 2 years making excuses not to exercise. No time, no energy, wrong schedule, every excuse in the book. I didn't wait to feel motivated. I decided on 15 minutes a day. 9 days in and I'm still going every day. I don't feel certain this is my forever routine. I have 9 days of evidence that I actually do it, and that's worth more than certainty ever was. So quick action. Stop asking yourself if you're sure. Start counting days instead. Whether it's showing up to study, sticking to the 15-minute habit from step 2, or just getting through a hard week at work, keeping a simple tally on your phone or a sticky note. 1 day is data, 9 days is a pattern. A pattern is more convincing than any feeling of certainty will ever be. You don't need to solve your purpose before you start. You need worth in the ordinary task in front of you. 15 minutes on a fixed schedule and days counted instead of feeling chased. Comment below with the one thing you've been postponing, starting, and checking out the next video in this series for the next piece of the system.